Want your PDF slides not just displayed, but narrated by realistic 3D avatars? Sounds amazing, right? Meet Slides Orator, a tool that makes this possible. First, sign up on Slides Orator, click on New Oration, and upload the PDF of your presentation. Within moments, Slides Orator processes the document, generates voiceovers, and creates a script for every slide. Now, let's choose your avatar. Move to the Avatar Customization section. Start by selecting the style. Then choose the voice type, standard or neural. Next, pick an avatar model from the available options. Once you've chosen, hit Confirm, and Slides Orator will generate the avatar tailored to your presentation. Now that the avatar is ready, you can preview the narration.
Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of coding and AI, and how they're making intelligence accessible for everyone. Let's dive into the fascinating world of software and see some familiar faces. We've all used Microsoft Office for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, and Google Chrome is a go-to for browsing the web. And let's not forget the ubiquitous Android and iOS.
Slides Orator isn't just about avatars, it comes with an AI dialog box, making your presentations interactive. With this feature, you can chat with the software about your presentation. Let's try it out. Enter a question related to your slides, and it will answer in no time. How cool is that?
No-code platforms make software development accessible to a wider audience. No-code tools facilitate rapid prototyping and faster innovation. AI is transforming industries globally, driving efficiency and enhancing user experiences.
And here's the best part. The avatar narrates the response, adding a dynamic touch. But what if you want to tweak the script or make it more engaging? Let's dive into that next. Click Edit to modify the narration or script. If the initial script isn't exactly what you envisioned, hit Regenerate and choose your preference, shorter, more engaging, or professional. Preview the updated script, apply the changes, and voila, your presentation is polished to perfection. After finalizing the edits, preview your updated presentation to ensure it's perfect.
Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of coding and AI, and how they're making intelligence accessible for everyone. So, we interact with software every day, from the moment we check our phones to the way we work and play. But have you ever wondered what powers these digital tools?
When you're satisfied, click Share. Copy the link. With Slides Orator, your presentations become unforgettable. Ready to transform your slides into a live performance? Try it today and make an impact like never before. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.